Is the Set Time Zone Automatically feature not working on your Windows 11 computer? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the settings on your computer. Then click on Time and Language. Next, click on Date and Time. And toggle on Set Time Zone Automatically if it's off. After that, click on the search icon and type in Run. Then click on Run from the search result. Next, type in timedate.cpl in the field here and hit Enter. Now this window will pop up. Just switch to the Internet Time tab and click on the Change Settings button. From this window, just make sure that the box says Sync Time with an Internet Time Server is ticked. Then click here and select time.nis.gov from the menu and hit Update. After it finishes synchronizing the clock, click on OK. And then click on OK from this window as well. Now click on the search icon and type in Services. Then click on Services from the search result. After that, find the Audio Time Zone Updater service. Then right-click on it and select Properties. Now change the startup type to Automatic. Next, click on Apply and then on OK. Now right-click on it and select Start from the menu. And Set Time Zone Automatically should start working. So folks, that's how you fix the Set Time Zone Automatically feature not working issue on Windows 11 devices. If the video helped you sort out the problem, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll hit you back as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.